Hi friends, let me show you this new paper towel holder that I bought for my kitchen. It has this accessory that will help you to tear the paper basically with one hand, okay? Like this. You can mount it vertically from in the bottom part of a cabinet or even inside a cabinet, okay? So, or in the wall. So it depends on where you want to install it. I'm going to put it here and show you how it goes.
Perfect.
As you can see, looks great in the kitchen.
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.